Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today we are going to talk about slope and distance. So in our last video we talked about how y equals to mx plus b is the most important equation in all of linear functions. Today we're going to talk about how to calculate the slope and distance between 2 points. At first, what we need is 2 points. No, not 2 points on your game or on your sport. I'm talking about 2 points on the coordinate plane. Woo! So, let's name these points, just like how we saw in our geometry series, the point, line, and plane video. You have to name your points, otherwise it won't be any useful. So let's name this one point 1, this one point 2. It doesn't matter which one is point 1 and which one is point 2. So now let's draw a line directly underneath this, and let's draw this sideways. We'll keep drawing it until they meet, they intersect. Actually, let me do a thing here. Perfect. So we kind of form a triangle. This will be important later. We need to understand a thing called change in. There are two things called change in x and change in y. Is that when you go down, it's going to be change in the y direction. The x direction will be the same. And here, the x direction will be different and the y direction would be the same. So this is change in y and this is change in x. These are weirdly long names, but we have a short form from the Greek letter delta. We use delta as a short form for change in. So this is delta y and this is delta x. Now let's look at this. Change in x and change in y. Change in x would be, you know that point 1, x, it would be x1, comma, y1. And here, it will be x2 and y2. Whoa! So, here, obviously, it will be the equation for change in x would be x2 minus x1. And here, it would be y2 minus y1. Now let's look at the equation for finding the slope of these 2 points. Let's say x2 is equal to, let's say, 4 and y2 as 4 or maybe 5. Here, let's make this negative 3 and here negative 5. So let's look at the slope. This is change in. Actually, let me look at it first. I have this book here to show me the equation. It's change in x over change in y, or some people call it rise over run, or anything like that. So this video is getting a little way too long, so let's wait for part 2 to see what does delta x and delta y has to do with this. Sorry guys, I had to make this into a two-part thing, but like I don't want to make you wait for 20 minutes, so I decided to make it a two-parter. Don't worry, tomorrow inshallah I will make a second part of this video. So before that, I will thank you for watching. You can like and subscribe to my channel for more of these basic videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.